My name is Kishore and I am going to talk about some very interesting topic for you today. I am going to talk about how to create extraordinary results in our business while having fun and excitement. Before getting into the topic, let me introduce myself. By education, I am a chartered accountant and I am the first generation entrepreneur and I am the promoter of Hassman group of companies. And before promoting these companies, I was into service. I come from a middle class background. When I was doing my graduation, I had a lot of dreams and I had a lot of ambitions. And I really want to create a different world. And then I have constraints. So I have to get into a job to feed myself. And then it almost took 16 years for me to give up and dare to start an enterprise. We started with Hassman Software Solutions, an ERP consulting company, and then we expanded into a new business called Hassman Transformation as a game. And I'm going to talk about Hashtag today. Hashtag is a framework that will give you extraordinary results in your business while having fun and excitement. So before getting into the topic, who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a person who sets up an enterprise and who is willing to take risks and who will enjoy the benefits. So any entrepreneur, when he starts a business, he starts the business with a lot of hopes, like me, lot of dreams, lot of ambition. And you know, business is not that easy. So we have all the challenges in the world, including the acts of God like COVID, and then various limitations. So where we want to reach and where we reach, there is a gap. I think most of you know this already. We want to be a butterfly and we just want to be free. We want to reach new horizons, but we still remain as a caterpillar who will be crawling, who is ever hungry, who has limited options, limited possibilities, cannot grow beyond a size. So how do we transform ourselves from a caterpillar to a butterfly? That is the topic I am going to talk about today. Now, when you look at an enterprise which is a caterpillar, what do you notice? The enterprise is comprising various teams. Right? Any organization is built with people. So the first point of inquiry, what is a typical mindset of the people in such an organization which is a caterpillar? And if you see, it will be typically a defensive mindset. The teams will be defensive, teams will be politically correct. I am doing my job. I don't want to take up any unnecessary risk and get into trouble later by not fulfilling it. This is what typically you would see not only at the lower levels but even at the leadership levels, right? But why do teams and people and leadership becomes that way? If you go one level down, one level deeper, you will see because of the business vulnerabilities. There are a lot of constraints out in the market. There are so many things which are not in our control. So under those circumstances, how can I just shoot the moon, right? So because of the business vulnerabilities, the teams tend to be defensive. Teams tend to follow a safe harbor approach. Now, why an organization is vulnerable to external constraints? If you dig deeper, you will see it is because it lacks innovation, it lacks agility, and it lacks adaptability. Not enough agile, not enough innovative, not enough adaptive. So it is vulnerable to business constraints and thereby the teams are defensive. Now look at why there is not enough innovation, why there is not enough agility, why there is not enough adaptability. You will see the source of the thought process is constraint based. This is a key point which I am making now. Most of the enterprises are trapped in a fundamental trap of failure. Most of the enterprises are trapped in a fundamental trap of failure. What is this fundamental trap of failure? The fundamental trap of failure is we are more enrolled into our constraints. The moment we talk about goals, we first think of constraints. We are more enrolled into the constraints and we make failure very significant. This is the fundamental trap of failure. This is the conventional and conservative survival based thinking. What would be the outcome of that fundamental trap of failure? Obviously, it lacks innovation, it lacks adaptivity, it lacks agility, because we are more cautious than connected to the goal, connected to the mission. So, the fundamental trap of failure leading to lack of innovation, agility and adaptivity, leading to business vulnerabilities, leads into defensive and disempowered teams, creates an enterprise into a caterpillar. Now, how do we transform? I am using the word transform. It is not about improvement. How do we transform into a different being like a butterfly? A butterfly is totally different from a caterpillar. So how can we transform an enterprise from this caterpillar into a butterfly?